In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give assistant access to Asana 2025, step by step. We'll focus on the simplest and safest approach, giving access to specific projects so your assistant can work where they need to without seeing the rest of your workspace. This method is ideal when you want tight control over what's visible. If your assistant's email domain is different from your organization's, Asana treats them as a guest. Guests only see the projects and tasks you explicitly share with them, which keeps everything else private by default. Start by signing into Asana and opening the project you want to share. You can find it from the sidebar under projects or by using the search bar at the top. Double check you've opened the correct project, especially if you have similarly named ones, to make sure you're sharing the right work. Once you're in the project, look to the top right corner for the share button. Click it to open the sharing panel. If you don't see share, you may lack the permission to invite people, so you might need a project owner or an admin to grant access on your behalf. In the add people field, type your assistant's email address. Take a second to confirm the address is correct. Typos here can send invites to the wrong person. If the email domain doesn't match your organization, they'll be added as a guest and won't see anything beyond what you share. Next, choose the appropriate permission from the dropdown. Editor is the most capable option, allowing them to add, edit, assign, and follow tasks in the project. Commenter limits them to leaving comments without changing task details. Viewer is read only. They can see project information, but can't comment or edit. Pick the level that aligns with what they actually need to do. A good rule of thumb is to start with the least access required and raise it later if necessary. If your assistant will create and assign tasks, editor makes sense. If they're providing feedback on existing work, commenter is usually enough. If they just need visibility, stick with viewer. When you're ready, click invite or send. You can include a short message for context if you'd like. Your assistant will receive an email invitation, ask them to accept it, and if they don't see it, have them check spam or junk. After they accept, they'll have access only to this specific project. They can collaborate based on the permission you set, and your other projects remain private. You can always adjust or remove their access later from the same share panel. That's it. With a few clicks, you've given your assistant just the access they need while keeping your workspace secure and organized.